No budget? No problem. Here's my exact strategy for starting a Shopify dropshipping business with $0. I recently used this strategy about a week ago to generate $500 organically, and I didn't spend a cent on advertising. I'm going to be walking you through step by step this insanely powerful strategy to implement into your own Shopify dropshipping business. We don't have time to waste, let's get into it. I guarantee that if you follow this strategy, you're going to be able to start generating sales for free by driving thousands of people to your site organically. I'm going to be giving away a dropshipping store in my next video. All you have to do is like this video, drop hashtag winner down below, and be subscribed to the channel. The first thing that we have to do is find a winning product, and if you didn't see my video a few days ago about 10 winning products to test out right now, I will leave a link to that video down in the description below that you can check out when you're done watching this video. The best and most solid strategy to finding winning products is in your own For You page or on your newsfeed. While you're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or wherever it is that you hang out, interacting with ads and products on your newsfeed is going to be giving you the best chance to continue to find winning products for free. Now I'm going to show you a product that I happened to find on my TikTok a few days ago that you can go ahead and test. What I mentioned in past videos is that if you see an ad like this, you want to click through the website, add the product to cart. It's going to end up sending positive feedback to the ad platform to show you more content like this, which means continually getting winning products in real time for free. You can then hop over to AliExpress where you can validate this product. Now, this isn't always a black and white strategy to validate a product, but it's a great place to go to get more information to see if it has potential. Now, the first thing I'm going to look for is, does this have a good price point? Can I sell this for 3 times what I'm getting it for? Also, I'm looking to see if it has more than 1,000 orders and multiple suppliers. Does it have good reviews? And is there any decent photos out there that I can use in the meantime while I save up some money to pay for a professional photographer? Another tool that you can use while you're on AliExpress to find additional winning products is scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click All Popular. In addition to that, there's also a dropshipping center which they introduced a couple years ago. In order for you to be successful with this advertising strategy, you need to find a product that actually solves a real problem. So definitely keep scrolling through your TikTok and AliExpress until you find a product that has a utility to it. Let me give you another example that I found on my newsfeed.
You ever wonder how people take videos of themselves while they're driving? Well, I'll show you. This right here is a 3-point suction cup car mount, and it can hold anything. So there's basically 1, 2, 3 points of suction. They're super configurable. You can put it anywhere on a flat surface.
What I will do from there is I'm going to hop over to Google and research other Shopify dropshipping businesses that are selling this product. Once the product is typed in, you're going to hop down to the Google Shopping section and start to view and see how many people are actually selling this product and what is the actual price point. I like to look at the general price point because, like I said, I'm looking to sell this for 3 times what I'm getting it for. That allows me to, make good margins and eventually down the road advertise and still remain profitable. So now that we've determined this is a good price point, I'm going to hop over and start to actually create the store. Now I'm going to show you a low budget way to get your Shopify business up and running and guarantee that you convert customers with this way of traffic that I'm going to describe in a second. The first thing we have to do to get our store up and running is to actually pick on a Shopify theme. As I mentioned in previous videos, my favorite theme is Debutify right now. They are the #1 theme for converting customers in e-commerce. You can start a free trial right now, and I'm going to leave a link below that you can check them out. Now in this video, I'm not going to be walking through the whole store creation. If you're looking for a step-by-step tutorial on how to build a Shopify dropshipping store, I'll leave a link down below that you can check out when this video is done. I'm also going to be making an updated version in the coming weeks, so make sure to subscribe if you have not already so you do not miss out. Now that your theme is installed, the next thing we have to do is get a logo. You can create a logo for free, download it to your store, and it doesn't have to be super well thought out. In fact, some of the biggest brands that we respect and we buy from literally just have their name as their logo. Next, we need to buy a domain for your Shopify store, and this is the only thing in the entire process that isn't free. There's just no way around it. But I'm gonna help you reduce your cost to only 99 cents. So what you can actually do is type in 99-cent GoDaddy domain. There will be a link that pops up that'll automatically inject the 99-cent price point for the domain that you can use to get your store started. This will then connect directly to your Shopify store and you can save $12 right off the bat. All right, so now that you've got a clean store, it's time to start promoting. This is going to be the meat and the potatoes of the video. I'm gonna show you how to harness unlimited traffic using TikTok. So if you don't realize it, TikTok is going to be the biggest opportunity that you have in front of you right now. In fact, I continue to talk about this because it's that important. The opportunity really won't be here for that much longer, and this is really the only place that you can do this. Like I said, I'm actually actually a creator on TikTok, and I've opened up a few stores on TikTok using this exact strategy I'm gonna break down. So I understand exactly how to do this. In fact, I dropped a business on there about a week or so ago, and within the first 4 days, I generated almost $500 in revenue. I did not pay a cent to do that. It's a very simple strategy, but I guarantee if you don't follow exactly what I'm telling you, it's not gonna work for you. Let me show you an example of someone doing this strategy well first.
This stress ball is magical. When you squeeze it, it has 4 different colors. I really wanted to know how they make that happen. Congratulations! Since they mentioned they never get picked.
So in order to actually make these posts, we really have 2 different options. Option number 1 would be browsing through YouTube, through AliExpress, Alibaba, and finding stock footage that we can edit together to make a video. If you go to the product pages, you can see there's some videos that you can download that you can repurpose, and completely fine to do so. This can be a little bit time intensive, but it definitely works. Some people actually skip this step and download directly from their competitors and repurpose for their own pages. I don't recommend doing this, but I see it happen all the time. Now, if I was to do this, what I would make sure I'm doing is actually take off the TikTok watermark. If you download a video, it's gonna have a TikTok watermark on it. To take this off, go to a site called Snaptik. Another thing you could do is make duets of user-generated content. So for example, here's a video over here that we can theoretically hop over and create content with. We would click the share button, click duet, and then we would do a reaction video to this piece of content. It's a really simple yet powerful way to get a video to blow up. TikTok likes to push this type of content. Just make sure that you're duetting videos that already have a lot of engagement, otherwise this is not gonna work at all. So I'll put an example of one on the screen so you can see exactly what I'm talking about.
Yourself a favor and buy the rainbow lamp everyone's talking about.
Amazon, you will have to pay for the product, but in most cases, it's not gonna cost you more than $20. Now here's a pro tip. Ideally, you are selling low price point products because that's what works on TikTok. Normally I say the opposite, but in this case, on TikTok and Snapchat, they love low price point products. So while this isn't free, this is a very cost-effective way to get tons of viewers to see your product. And if you order your product once, you can make a ton of TikToks as long as you have the business. Now the key to focus on here is that you don't make your videos too professional. In fact, TikTok does not like that, and it's ineffective. TikTok's motto for their ads is don't make ads, make TikToks. This means that your content should blend in with the platform. Now, I encourage you to go get a TikTok if you don't already, to figure out how it operates, what's trending, and how you can feel as if you're part of the community versus an advertiser. Being able to hop on trends and being part of the experience rather than a distraction, I guarantee at some point your videos are gonna pop off. Hopping on trends and using viral sounds are also gonna help a lot. If you aren't aware of how TikTok works, you can go to Add Music and there's a section called Viral Sounds. I encourage you to use this because it'll actually help in boosting your videos onto the For You page, which is how you get this to go viral. Another hot thing I will mention right now is that you want to use the text to voice option. You can do this by simply clicking on the text and clicking the text to voice option in the drop down. Let me show you a good example of this right now.
So I finally got the sunset lamp everyone's been talking about. I can't believe how bright it is.
The number one thing to get this to work is by being observant. Pay attention to what other brands and popular dropshipping businesses are doing to make popular content. Make sure that you save these when you see them, and you're gonna be able to recreate those in your own way, down the road. You won't always have the same success as those videos, but TikTok is a numbers game. I recommend making 3 videos a day for the next 30 days. You can do 1 duet, 1 video from the perspective of a customer, and 1 video on trend with that product. If you stick to that plan and are making similar content to other dropshipping businesses on the platform, I guarantee you're going to be getting sales. sales. I promise it works. I got sales on my very first day. If you want to personally be mentored by me, where I guide you through this whole process, I do have a mentorship program and I've got a couple seats available. Fill out the 2-minute application below to see if you qualify. Make sure you also enter in to win the store giveaway. Drop a like on this video, drop hashtag winner down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as I always say, until next time, peace.